PAC Standing Committee meeting held on May 23rd in Baku, Azerbaijan Foreign Minister Elmar acted as the chairman of the Committee of Ministers of the Council of Europe. He also answered questions from PAC members. The majority of the questions were related to human rights and conflicts. Mammadyarov noted that during Azerbaijan's 6-month chairmanship of the Council of Europe, issues like democracy, stability, security, fight against corruption, development of intercultural dialogue, tackling the problems of youth, multiculturalism and religious tolerance will be focused on. Foreign Minister's speech was followed by a question and answer session. Irish Member of Parliament Michael McNamara asked what the minister's opinion was on the fact that Azerbaijan starts its chairmanship with 18 prisoners of conscience and other political prisoners. The PAC President Anna Bresser intervened by saying that such questions hadn't been envisaged by the regulations. In turn, Mammadyarov answered that he is not authorized to answer such questions because these issues concern law enforcement and judicial authorities. He just said that the human rights situation in Azerbaijan is not worse than in the Netherlands and Ireland. According to the minister, the penitentiary and judicial systems need to be heavily invested in. To do this, you need money and time. Most importantly, we are moving in the right direction. We are cooperating with the Council of Europe and the European Union, the minister stressed. Responding to a question on Karabakh conflict, the minister said that the problem should be solved step by step, provided that both sides live in peace with their neighbors, people return to their historic lands, and borders recognized by the international community are restored. The process will depend on the withdrawal of Armenian forces from the occupied territories. Answering to the questions on the resolution of Karabakh, Abkhazia, South Ossetia, and Transnistrian conflicts, Mammadyarov said there is a relationship between the parties in Transnistria. In other cases, separatists don't want to listen to the government side. The nation's right to self-determination doesn't mean violation of the territorial integrity of the state, Mammadyarov underlined. When asked about Azerbaijan's active lobbyism in the Council of Europe, the minister said that it's a normal practice and it happens everywhere. McNamara asked for a permission to meet with the imprisoned leader of the real movement, Ilgar Mammadov. PAC co-reporter Pedro Agramont responded that he had met with Mammadyarov on Wednesday and there was no need for another meeting. Mammadyarov in his turn said that Azerbaijan Minister of Foreign Affairs will monitor the implementation of the European Court decision in the case of Ilgar Mammadov. One of the German MPs, while highlighting the hospitality of the Azerbaijan side, noted with regret that the MPs who didn't receive a visa cannot be sure of that. Mammadyarov in response said that the Azerbaijan government has a legal right to hold a tough position toward those who illegally visit the occupied territories of Azerbaijan.